Hello, what up, my people? It's your boy Gabriel King. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a little like I'm going to show you how to track your data source, like how your song is improving, how your catalog is improving for the past days, the kind of stream you generate, the kind of people that come to your playlist, and you see the craft and how to understand. So but basically, I'm going to show you everything, navigate you around about the entire dashboard of Spotify for artists. Like we have the home page here, which is here we are saying, and we have music here. This is where all your songs you have released are. For me, these are all my songs that I've released so far, and this is where your audience are. Understand? And this is a campaign area. This place, Spotify choose a song and tell you to run a campaign. They will promote the song and have some percentage. You can just read it here. You see it. Then this one is your mesh. If you have an online store that you want to link, you can do it at here. This one is video VAS. This one adding video to your track. If you have a video that you want to add to your album, like this my upcoming album, I can add a Canva here. Can add a Canva. So that is what this one means. Let's go back. So today video we are to show you how to trace your data, the kind of people who is listening to your music currently. So first we come to music, and what we see here is we see last 28 days, and you can see the numbers of streams we generate in the last 28 days. So Spotify makes this very easy for us to trace. So you can see numbers of streams you have in each of your songs. This was my album that I released last year 2023, and this way the numbers of streams I was able to generate in the last 28 days. So total of the streams I generated 729 streams. That is small, very small, Jesus. Then I have here 90 something, 90 something. Then these are my other songs. Then if you want to trace back to 27 days ago, and also trace it back to 7 days ago, and you can trace it to 24 hours. So my 24 hours is where the numbers of streams are generated, and I have accumulated the total numbers of streams in my in this album is 21. So that is how to track your streams. That is based on my release. Can come on songs. They will also show me all my songs, how are they doing, and they show me when I release it. If I come to playlist, the playlist I am added to. So I have been added to all these playlists you are seeing, and what I generate. This one are not available. These are Spotify upgrading playlists. So upcoming, this is your upcoming music that is coming from this my new release that is coming. I'll leave a link if you want to listen to it. It dropped at 12 June. So if you come to audience now, this is the more interesting aspect of this Spotify for artists. Here it really shows you how you have streams on a daily basis across all your songs on your catalog. So if you have here for the past 28 days, according to Spotify, they say for the past 28 days I have been able to generate 318 monthly listeners, and that is the monthly listeners you can currently see in my artist profile. If you come to so Spotify only shows your current listeners, and if you should come back to my audience site, you will now see these listeners generated me total numbers of 2,489 84 streams, and I have a stream ratio of 7.8, and I have 27 saves. I have 186 playlists added and 460 something followers. So this graphics shows you how your song is improving. Like these days I have a very big strike, see 47, and you can see everything is coming down. And if you should come, it shows you like my previous everything that about my previous streams. So there are plenty things you can track from this source now. I can This graph that is showing here is based on my listeners. If you should enter my stream here, it's going to also show you the graph based on my listeners habit. So here people listen to my song very little, and here boom, I have 1000 something and 90 something streamed. I don't know what happened there in that day. Maybe it got into a big playlist, or I don't even know. But this is a very huge change, and boom, fall back. See, that is not a good growth in music. Normal graph should be going smoothly. You see as it's going, and that's normal. But it's not like if you have a big music, it's good. If you are running campaign to your song, maybe use Spotify, YouTube ads, Facebook ads to your song, this can easily happen. But person like me that have not run any ads on this, and this is happening, I don't know how come. So these days I have 60 something, and in draw again I have 40 something. So that is based on streams. Listeners ratio, it also shows you that day I had 1000 streams. It was 23 people that listened to my song. Then this one, 23 people as well. This one, 44 streams per person. So my numbers of self, the same thing. So that's how it is. If you see those days I had huge streams, I enter 57 playlists. All these things, you don't even know where your songs are going to. So that's how I always encourage someone to all keep on releasing music, because if you have a bunch of songs in your catalog, all your songs are going to different directions. So you can just track all those things from here. Your overview, you can start from your assignment, you can enter this. You can know I have accumulated total of 27,890 monthly in total audience on Spotify. And it's small artists are not too big. Support me and I have more listeners. So they can show you total audience, in reactive audience, new active listeners, new listeners. So Spotify will also show you all this, and they will try show you everything you need to know. So to show you everything you need to know. You come to demographic, they will now show you everything you need to know about your music, your locations. Of course, I'm from Nigeria. My top listeners should come from where I come from. So top listeners come from my own country, Nigeria. Thank you, Nigeria, for always supporting my music. That is my home country. So release engagement. Say for these are my graph. This was when the song gets into playlist. See, so that's just it. Everything you need to, you can trace all your song you want here. You can trace them all from here to know how all your music are growing. So that's how to trace data from your Spotify for artists. If someone is running a campaign to your Spotify for artists and you really want to know the kind of campaign the person is running, or you want to know the kind of engagement you have in your account, that is how you do it on Spotify. So that is a little core things on Spotify. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment on this video, and I will see you in my next video.